early this morning while everybody's still sleeping. Headed to Harbor Freight, grab a couple things that I need. So unfortunately, Harbor Freight did not have the two things that I really came here for. Found a couple other things that I could use, a couple impulse buys. I think there's a Lowe's around here somewhere. Maybe that's where I gotta go. All right, so I found the Home Depot, and I also found Pete from Sounds. He was pulling in the parking lot at the same time I was. Hopefully I can find what I need here. Well, I was able to find what I needed in there. It took a little while. They had the primary wire locked up in a cage, so I had to actually get someone to help me to open the cage and pull that out. And then one of them didn't have the right size. I had to cut it by length on one of the spools, but we got it. A little bit late getting back to work, but as you can see, it rained while we were inside, which is exactly why I brought the car this morning. I really just didn't want to start the day off getting soaking wet. It's gonna be a ride day, wouldn't care so much, but I didn't want to get wet first thing in the morning and have to work the rest of the day wet. And I knew it was gonna be a little bit late getting back. It's already 10 after 9 and I'm still 15-20 minutes away from getting back to the track. So they need the bike there for display. That is assuming there's any business this morning, but with the weather, it's not likely we'll get much. Yeah, as we get closer to the track, the rain just gets heavier. Well, I'm a little surprised, but that's a good sign. Walking in at 10:15. I got two bikes on the lift, one in line. I honestly wasn't expecting that, but it's not raining that hard here anymore. Hopefully it'll stay light and we'll still get some business. All right, guys, we got those bikes cleared out. I ended up having to build a custom wire harness, just a Y splitter, simple harness for the Love Jokes bike because he already had a heated seat installed into the plug that we normally use. So when you want to plug two items into one outlet, you need a splitter. So I built one. Unfortunately, I screwed it up the first time, had to cut it apart, redo it because I was thinking backwards and I was putting the male pins on the male plug. But with Deutsch, the male plug actually uses the female pin and the female plug uses the male pin. And I was just thinking backwards. Right, it looks like the rain has all but stopped. I'm looking at the puddles on the ground. You see a little bit of a ring every once in a while, but it's a very, very light sprinkle. There's a lot of motorcycles pulling in here. Not a lot of people walking around yet, but there's a lot of motorcycles pulling in here, so hopefully business will pick up soon. Looks like Sounds is fairly busy this morning already. All right, looks like we got two more bikes up on the lift now and one more in line. So Dave, who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy?
All right, so it is just about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. See, there's a little bit of sun shining through. Still mostly overcast though. But the nice thing is the parking lot is drying up. There's definitely people out here walking around. Not a lot, but the parking lot's full. Hopefully as it gets nicer for the rest of the afternoon, business will pick up. loving it. Look at Jessa, loving that attention.
Welcome to Bike Week.
Guys, Julia came back to see us again. Lovely as always. Good. Hi guys, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's still been pretty steady since the weather's been good, not super busy. I've actually been up in the cab of Goliath, finishing up that wiring repair or extension, I guess, that I was trying to do. And now a very good friend came by, and he's got stripped out risers so his bars aren't clamping down very tight. So I got to see if I can find something to fix it with. right, guys, I wasn't able to find the proper helicoil kit, so we did a oversized bolt to get it clamped down to get him going down the road for now. Guys, it is 10 minutes till 6, but this place has cleared out and I think we are done for the day, so off it goes. So guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and close this video a little bit early because tonight I think we're gonna go head to the Weirs and try to get some footage for future bonus videos for you guys. All in all, today was a good day once the weather cleared up, but it was just not enough time, I guess, to really make up for it. We did not get our last year sales, which we'd expect. We were only about half. And as far as 2 years ago, the sales we're really trying to compare it to, we did miss it by a little bit. First day this week that we missed it. But all in all, doing all right. All right, so I think we're gonna go ahead and close everything up here, and we're gonna jump on the bikes and head up to Weirs Beach and see what we can find up there, get into some mischief or whatnot. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and until next time we see you.
Keep those engines running.